it's me, Julie, as you can see. Well, I need to tell you guys something. So, well, where I'm at right now, we're right next to a street, and me and my sister found a tunnel here. And let me show you something. It keeps, see, you heard that? It keeps on making noises. We got mad. So, as you can see, if I throw big rocks, it makes more noises. Like, for reals. I get really scared. Now I'm not bringing you guys because I might drop my phone when I go in there, but I'm going to go in there with this for reals at night.
So another rock in there?
I get really scared really easily. As you can see, well, it's still making noises. Shut up. I'm sorry about that. It's because that it gets me the creeps, and I'm just 9. You know, it's not fun. But I'm gonna throw another rock. Ooh. Does this belong to me? I do not mess with tunnels. Even if we throw it right next to us, it keeps on making noises. Or if we don't even throw it. Do you guys see a ghost? Because I can't. There's water in there, and we feel like hold on, come close. The cloud is in there. And my sister told me a scary story. She said that what happens if a red balloon comes out. I was like, I got really scared. So I don't mess with clouds. Because if they do mess with me, wait, that was wrong. One. Get that. And the piece of their private rock. Ah! That scared me. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Well, I accidentally broke something. An accident. Well, do you guys see a ghost?
Right.
I don't mess with clouds. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Bye.